Hello, my name is Juan Carlos Silva Castro. This video is the strategy proposal retrenchment. Identification. Case, the Diamond Supermarket. Code, if the course, 2120 53 28. Strategy definition. Name strategy retrenchment. Definition. This strategy is part of the corporate defensive strategies that they are applied when building and the profit margin do the net meet the initial objectives and the organization is obligated to reduce costs and the disposal of the assets. Typical action usually taken during the OPEX are sales of non-strategic assets such as luxury cars, property and cancellation of the luxury source of travels. Designs if managed to reduce the cost, it will all have a negative impact on the company's profits. Strategy for the case. I will implement the retrenchment strategy like so. First, eliminate the lifestyle of the parent family. Trips, abroad cars, luxury properties, luxury watches, and plastic surgeries. A major internal reorganization is net. 30. Improve individual performance that eliminate inefficient and the low profitability. Implement strategies that help for project and preserve your makers. Thank you.